I don't know if you have the answer to this, but one of the things I really liked about Doom Patrol 1 were and I'm not a big variant guy, but those scratch off variants. Whose idea was that? Do you know?
So that was weirdly enough, that was Burnham's idea.
Okay.
Burnham,
Yeah.
one of the things he would talk about when we were in the studio is he always wanted to do a scratch off variant. And I think he was at a convention and somebody showed was like some printer, like sometimes you get vendors going around showing up at your table, but they showed him that and he just kind of got obsessed with that idea. But what's interesting is this is kind of a really good example of collaboration because Ben, normally that variant covers are kind of his realm, and he was already cooking on the glow in the dark Negative Man cover, which I thought was a great idea. Like I love the idea that it was like a character driven variant, like just that idea that it's like it makes sense to have the radioactive guy glow in the dark. Um